Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Randall Lang. This is live in local Linden. I am here at Linden's Ladies Night right here Saturday, November 9th. There's a lot of stuff going in and on around town. All these local businesses have booths set up and the ladies are making their rounds to each of the business, and it's 80s night, so a lot of the ladies are dressed up like the 80s, so that's very cool. They got a DJ over in the fire hall. We'll go over there, check him out, playing some 80s music. H2O Restoration is sponsoring this video. That is much appreciated. If you have fire damage, water damage, wind damage, you need basement waterproofing, definitely check out H2O Restoration. It'd be much appreciated. I'll put a link to their website right here, so check them out. So let's go see what Linden's Ladies Night is all about. Right, this is a new shop in town called Sunset Corals. They got a lot of tanks with coral. They got some smaller fish and stuff. They're just getting started, so they're not even open full time yet, but check out Sunset Corals. They're a pretty cool place. But tonight's Ladies Night, so let's go and see what's going on.
Hi, I'm Leslie Sheridan of Sheridan & Co. Check us out on Facebook at Sheridan & Co. We offer handcrafted pillows, custom ornaments. I can make whatever you'd like. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tracy Brown. I'm here with ACB Candle Company. We have 100% soy wax candles. We use recycled or upcycled containers. We use natural fragrance oils to fragrance our candles with. We have wood wicks, hemp wicks, and then now we also have a line of beeswax candles as well. We have all different sizes. We do custom orders, and we are on Facebook at ACB Candle Company LLC. So come check us out.
Hey everybody, this is Jawanda with Jazzy Jewels. I offer $5 fabulous, fashionable, affordable jewelry from Paparazzi. Please visit my Facebook page at Jawanda's Jazzy Jewels or my website at www.paparazziaccessories.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm with Lip Sense. We have a full line of makeup, skincare, anti-aging, and obviously our wow product, Lip Sense, that stays all day and does what you want it to do through eating and drinking and kissing your man. So you can find me, Alicia Gray, on Facebook with an E-L-I-S-H-A-G-R-A-Y. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Michelle Kosis. I'm with It Works. I've been with It Works for 5 years now, and we are most famous for our skinny wrap, but right now we have our keto coffee. My website is theketolife.itworks.com. If you have any information that you need, just holler at me. I will help you out.
Okay. Hi, we're with Young Living Essential Oils. We're here at the Linden Ladies Night tonight. And we have essential oil products for everything in your life. And if you want to go to the website youngliving.com and just explore the website, see what we have to offer. If you need more information, you can contact me. My name is Susan. My phone number is 810-814-0116. And yeah, we have a lot to offer for a healthy lifestyle. It's all about healthy living with Young Living.
All right, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Melinda Smith, and I am an independent consultant with 31 Gifts, and I am here selling my 31 items, some items, and they can all be found, the full catalog, online on my Facebook page at Melinda's Fun Totes. It's MALINDAS Fun Totes. Thank you so much.
All right, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Elise Miles. I'm an affiliate with HempWorks. My website is www.livecbdoils.com. We sell CBD oils with and without the THC in them. I have them for our people and for our pets. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jenny with CNR Salon. This is Robin. She's the owner. We are a full-service salon that offers tanning, boutique, facials, eyelash extensions, Botox, and a boutique. Yes.
Okay. And do you have a website?
Yes, our website is
cnrsalon.net, and you can also schedule online anytime at vagaro.com/CR Salon.
All right. Do you have a Facebook too?
We do. C&R Salon Linden.
All right. Perfect.
Awesome.
All of our children's books are half price and such a good price and wonderful things for anybody on your Christmas list. Old or young, it doesn't matter. Just come to Heather's store. Beloved books.
All right, I'm here with Chad from H2O Restoration. He's the owner. He's going to tell you a little bit about H2O Restoration because they're sponsoring this video. It's much appreciated. So Chad, let us know what H2O is all about.
Yeah, how you guys doing? Chad with H2O Restoration. We're a 24-hour disaster response company, and we're at the ladies' night out tonight, enjoying a fun night with all the ladies. So yeah, give us a call, 24-hour disaster response. We're here for it.
Thanks, Chad. Appreciate it. Check out H2O Restoration, link right here on the screen. All right, so that wraps up the Lindens Ladies Night of 2019. Ladies had a great time. The costumes, 80s dress was great. They weren't costumes because it was actually clothes back in the 80s. So everyone had a great time. They're gonna have an after party up in the crow's nest. Maybe I'll get some highlights of that. Thank you H2O Restoration for sponsoring this video. If you have fire damage, water damage, mold damage, definitely check out H2O Restoration. I'll put a link right here on the page. Check out their website, their Facebook page. H2O Restoration can hook you up. So thanks again for checking out this highlight video. Please like and share this video. It would be much appreciated. I'm Randall Lang. This is Live in Local Linden, and I will see you soon.